Okay, what'd you do? You went and got your block and then came back over to the gate. And now we're going to try to stand up at the gate to see if Mom will let us through the gate. Hey, you big fat cutie. You've been present in there. Mama's cooking, though. Where's your block? Where's your block? Cutie. Oh, yeah, just stand right on up. Stand right on up. Why don't you just scale it? Liam, just scale it. Just, just put your feet up there and scale it. Hey, you cutie. Hey, you just gonna start just walking around or what?